Hello class. First of all, I want to apologize for the issues I've had with the week 4 module. I think I finally have it straightened out. So of course here are the outcomes and the objectives. The week checklist there is in the overview video, which I'm taping now, will be in here. And then the writing assignments, you have the week 4 essay, unpaid internship, which is due, and here is the prompt for it. This is where you'll post it when you're finished. You'll submit it. Make sure you read the prompt carefully. I really want to stress that in the prompt it's asking you, let me see where I put that in the prompt. Let me go here. You can download it. I'm going to upload it here, or you can read it within if you click here. But as it's downloading, it says, after reading both articles, decide whether or not you would do an internship. So it's okay to use I in your thesis statement because I'm directing it to you. You don't need to use students in general. Normally you would, but I'm addressing you personally. So in the thesis, it's okay to use I there. Still, you don't need to use I think, I believe, or in my opinion. That's different. You can use I if you're talking about personal experiences. Okay, so let me go back to the module. So let me go back to week 4. Sorry about that. So again, here is the prompt. Submit the essay when you're done here. Now remember, the essay is due Sunday, January 27th. However, if you come here, there's a discussion board. And even though this is a discussion board, this is where you're going to copy and paste your your week 4 unpaid internship essay. So if you click here, your rough copy, you'll copy and paste it. So you'll come down here, you'll click reply, and you'll copy and paste your essay. Once you copy and paste your essay, you'll be able to see other people's essays. What you'll want to do is go in and let's say you see my paper. You'll reply to my paper and say, Kevin, I will revise your essay. This way no one else can take it, only you will. Now this has to be done, copy and pasted by week 4 Wednesday, which is January 23rd. So this is your rough and your sloppy copy. It doesn't need to be perfect, but it should be finished. That way the other students can give you feedback. And how are they going to give you feedback? Well, I'm going to put a video here, which I'm talking about right now, but here's an example of what it would look like. So you would take their essay, take it over, blah, 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 introduction. What is their thesis? Write it here. Give them feedback on the thesis. Do you like it? Yes or no? Why? Is it strong? Isn't it strong? Paragraph 1, topic sentence. Type out the topic sentence. Give examples that they used to support. Did they include a closing sentence in paragraph 1? And then give general feedback to it. Paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 4, they're all the same. And then in their conclusion paragraph, did they restate the main ideas? Did they come full circle? Did they connect everything together well? So this is what you're doing. You're doing an outline as a revising. This has to be done by Friday. Where is it? This has to be done by Friday, January 25th. So what you will do is this, after you've read their essay, typed up the revising outline, you're going to copy and paste that. So let's say again that you reserved my paper. You'll go back into the discussion board. Let me go down there. You'll find me. You'll click reply. Say, Kevin, here is the revising outline for you. Copy and paste it. And then I will be able to look at it. And then me, the teacher, I'll grade it. So me as the student, I know this sounds really strange, but me as the student will look at your input and use it to make changes to my paper. I just want you to make sure that although the essay is due Sunday of next week, Wednesday you have to have the rough copy in. Post it to the discussion board here. Once you've posted yours, reply to someone else's and save a copy. There should be 1 copy for every person. This way 2 people aren't revising the same essay. Once you've made an outline that looks similar to this, copy and paste it into the discussion board for the person whom you have revised for. Okay, now let me go back. And then for the other 2 discussion boards, these are real discussion boards. You have 2 prompts. You choose the one that you want to do. So if you choose one, you put the initial prompt here, and then of course you will upload you will upload the initial post here so I can grade it like you have been for week 2 and week 3. The only thing difference here is you're going to use the peer revising discussion board to do the peer revising. However, this will not count as a discussion board grade. This will count as a peer revising grade, which is 20, I think 20% of your grade. I'll have to look. Or is it 5%? All I know, it's the only one we're doing. We're supposed to do 2, but I know that we're crunched for time, so I'm only going to have you do 1. Make sure you do it, because if you don't, it's 0 points. And I'm going to double check right now what percentage of the grade it is for you. So actually, the peer revising here for week 4 is worth 5%, but that is included in all your homework assignments. So all the articles that you've read and answered questions on, not the cage bird, but the others, all of those will be included here. So I really want you to do the peer revising. It's worth 5% of all of the other assignments included. So if you miss this, it may not hurt your grade as badly, but I hope you do it. So okay, everybody, if you have any questions, please let me know. Just know, again, next week, Wednesday the rough copy is due, Friday the revising of the person whose you revise is due, and then the actual paper is due next Sunday. All right, take care. Bye.